Hi guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson and today I'm going to be doing another BuzzFeed recipe. This is a 3-ingredient cookies and cream fudge. This looks super duper easy and super duper fun, so if you guys want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
So for this fudge, I got going with my double boiler, and then I put in my sweetened condensed milk. And then I put in my white chocolate chip melty things and then actual white chocolate chips because that's what I had to equal 18 ounces, and then just mix that together. And I used a double boiler instead of the microwave like the instructions said because I was terrified of burning my chocolate. So I just mixed it all together on the double boiler. It wasn't really that much more effort. And once it all melted, I took it over to my counter and put in my sandwich cookies and then just mixed that together. And one thing I will say that this did not really mix very easily because the chocolate started to cool. So once I did get it mixed together, I poured it into my pan to let it sit for 2 hours in the fridge, and it was still kind of hard to get it to, I mean, it still went, it just, like you can see, it hardened quicker.
All right, so here's what they look like when they're done. They're super adorable. Like, I can't help but smile when I look at them. They kind of remind me of like a really thick cookies and cream Hershey's candy bar, so I'm super stoked to try this. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you know if it's love at first bite. That's exactly what this tastes like. Holy moly. These are super, like, dangerously good. I don't even know what to say. It's chewy, it's really sweet, really rich, so I guess I would say that this is gonna go a long way. This is less than half of what I made, and you don't need much. These are super quick, super easy. I would totally recommend you guys making them. 10 out of 10, no complaints at all. These are super good, and this would be fun to play around with the sandwich cookies. You know, you can do like lemon ones, or they have like peanut butter chocolate ones, like all kinds of different cookies you can put in here. You know, you can even crush up your own like chocolate chip. These are bomb. I love these. I'm gonna go ahead and watch some Netflix and have a couple of these. Ooh. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Let me know if you did and hit that love button for me. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.